Okay, we're here for another 1 MOA all day challenge, and we have Barry with another rifle. Barry, what are you shooting today?
I'm shooting a Steyr Scout.
Very good. What scope do you have on it?
The 2.5 power Scout scope, Leupold.
All right. What ammunition are we shooting?
Well, I want to shoot hunting ammo, so best I had enough bullets for was some 180 Sierras with 40-64.
All right, well, sounds good. And the distance we're shooting?
100 yards.
All right, well, we'll get with it then, and we'll show you Barry shooting his 10 shots.
Be with me, Colonel.
Okay, we've shot the 10 rounds, and Barry, I forgot to ask you, how much does the rifle weigh?
7 pounds, 7 ounces.
7 pounds, 7 ounces. So, target's down there. He shot on the upper left target, so we're going to walk down.